integration under root 10x dx. Let's begin. I take 10x equal to t square, then sec square x dx equal to 2t dt. Dx equal to 2t dt divide sec square x equal to 2t dt divide 1 plus 10 square x. Now dx equal to 2t dt divide 1 plus t raised to 4. I equal to integration under root t square and dx will 2t dt divide 1 plus t raised to 4. I equal to integration 2t square divide 1 plus t raised to 4 dt. I can write as t square plus 1 plus t square minus 1 divide t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. I equal to integration t square plus 1 divide t raised to 4 plus 1 dt plus integration t square minus 1 divide t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. Okay, now I equal to I1 plus I2, where I1 equal to integration t square plus 1 divide t raised to 4 plus 1 dt and I2 equal to integration t square minus 1 divide t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. Okay, solve individually I1 and I2. Let's start from I1. I1 equal to integration t square plus 1 divide t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. Now I divide t square numerator and denominator and I will get 1 plus 1 by t square divide t square plus 1 by t square and here dt. I1 equal to integration 1 plus 1 by t square in denominator. I can write as t square minus 2 plus 1 by t square plus 2 here dt. Okay. I1 equal to integration 1 plus 1 by t square in denominator. This term is a perfect square root. Okay, perfect square. It will t minus 1 upon t whole square plus 2 here dt. Let t minus 1 upon t equal to p. Take derivative 1 minus 1 upon t square bracket over dt equal to dp. 1 plus 1 upon t square dt equal to dp. Okay, now I1 equal to integration 1 plus 1 over t square dt. It will dp in denominator p square plus 2. 2 will in square root 2 whole square. Okay. Now I1 equal to integration dp by p square plus root 2 square, and it will 1 upon root 2 tan inverse p. Okay, 1 by root 2 tan inverse p will t minus 1 upon t, and 1 by root 2 tan inverse t square minus 1 divided by t plus put c. C1. Okay, I take it C1. Okay, let's solve for I2. Now I2 equal to integration t square minus 1 divide t raised to 4 plus 1 dt. Okay, integration, first of all I divide by t square and I will get 1 minus 1 over t square divide t square plus 1 over t square, and here dt. I2 equal to integration 1 minus 1 over t square divide, I can write as t square plus 2 plus 1 over t square minus 2, and here dt. Same procedure. Okay, integration 1 minus 1 over t square divide this term is a perfect square. Okay, and it will t plus 1 over t whole square minus 2 dt. I take t plus 1 by t equal to d equal to, I take it as a r. Okay, take derivative 1 minus 1 over t square dt equal to dr. Now I2 equal to integration 1 minus 1 over t square dt, 1 minus 1 over t square dt, it will dr divide r square minus 2. Now I2 equal to integration dr by r square minus root 2 square, and it will 1 over 2 root 2 log mod r minus root 2 divide r plus root 2 and plus c2. Now put the value of r, and 1 by 2 root 2 log r will t plus 1 over t minus root 2 divide t plus 1 over t plus root 2 plus c2. 1 by 2 root 2 log t square minus square root 2 into t plus 1 divide t square minus root 2 into t plus 1 plus c2. Okay, here plus, here minus. Okay, now I equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, I1 plus I2, and I1 will I equal to I1 will 1 by root 2 tan inverse t square minus 1 divided by t plus c1 plus I2 will 1 by 2 root 2 log t square minus t root 2 plus 1 divide t square plus t root 2 plus 1 plus c2. Okay, c1 plus c2, it will c, another constant, and 1 by root 2 tan inverse. Okay, let first tan x equal to t square. Okay, here tan x equal to t square, then t equal to in square root tan x bracket t square equal to tan x minus 1 divide square root tan x plus 1 by 2 root 2 log mod tan x minus in square root tan x into square root 2 plus 1 divide tan x minus here plus square root tan x into square root 2 plus 1 plus c, c1 plus c2, it will c, and answer is 1 by root 2 tan inverse tan x minus 1 divide tan x plus 1 by 2 root 2 log mod tan x minus in square root 2 tan x plus 1 divide tan x plus 2 tan x plus 1 plus c. Okay, and that is our answer.